Gandang bakbakan ito. Diyos ko po. Ito na yung inaabahan nyo. Team Wonderboy or Team Rosales? May mga Team Rosales po ba dito? May Team Rosales at I hope Rosales and Wonderboy show us something here combination. Wonderboy Southpost stance po siya and kitang-kita yung Martin na nakasulat dyan po sa kanyang trunks, no? Wonderboy and Richard Rosales. This is round number 1. This is scheduled for 10 rounds po, and this is in the they originally at Bantam, itong si Wonderboy, pero I think they're fighting in the Super Bantam for this fight dahil sa COVID, no? Ganda rin ang mga pasok nito ni Richard Rosales. Richard Rosales, this is what he need to do. Kailangan i-rough niya itong si Wonderboy. Parang ginawa ni Puton, talagang kailangan sugudin niya. At yung mga nagmamaliit dyan sa mga boksigero, bigyan natin ng chance pareho. Alam natin, pareho nating idol to mga ito eh. So tingnan natin, uy, ganda naman ng katawan. Kita nyo ba yung practice ni Wonderboy sa kanyang pain training? Medyo tahimik doon, no? Wala akong masyadong naririnig. Yun, binabatukan ni Richard Rosales. And again, this fight is happening at the IPI compound, Omega Boxing. At nagkauntugan yata sila doon at napakamot ng ulo. Sana walang masyado nangyari. Carl James and Richard Rosales in action. This is the third fight of the night. Kakatapos lang po ng laban ni Albert. Wonderboy in action right now. 2-punch, 3-punch combination. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What a Gatling punch. Napatuwa at napababat kaya si Richard Rosales bumabalik dito. Siya naman ang sumusuntok. And Carl James Martin quickly got out of trouble right there from Richard Rosales, who is just persistently attacking right there and umuurong-urong.
End of first round.
End of first round. Kumusta naman? Masaya naman tayo. Alam mo, I expect pag si Wonderboy ang manonood na 20,000 ang nanonood ng live sabay-sabay. 10,000 pa lang tayo, guys. Baka naman. Palike naman, guys. Tingnan natin yung replay kung mayroong replay, no? Yun, may batok ng konti. Ito na yung mga combo. Iba talaga yung mga fans ni Wonderboy. Ang dami-dami nyo. Kung fan kayo ni Wonderboy, i-share nyo. Sabi ni Wonderboy, i-share nyo daw eh. Share, like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Round number 2 na tayo.
Round number 2.
And round number 2 is brought to you by Omega Painkiller, Bioderm, Casino. Sa kanila po lahat yan sa IPI. Ganda ng pasok doon. Richard Rosales working in round number 2, working really hard, attacking, and he needs to be really aggressive here against Carl James Martin. And I'm sure pinag-aralan nilang mabuti ito si Carl James Martin. To be honest, of course, based on records po, based on previous fights, and talagang underdog itong si Richard Rosales dito sa laban na ito. So, expected that Carl James Martin will have the upper hand. But in boxing po, this is called the theater of the unexpected. Parang yung ending, hindi mo alam kung anong pwede mangyari, especially if you have a fighter like Richard Rosales, who's really working hard and trying to show everything. But Carl James Martin is not letting him. Siya naman ngayon ang bumabalik dito. Ang hirap i-build up yung parehong fighter eh. Kasi baka mamaya sabihin ng isa, Sir, ano ka ba? Bias ka dito sa kabila. Bias ka dito sa kabila. Wala po. Ano lang talaga, bini-build up natin. Pero, I got Some good friend here for watching from the US of A, 50 pesos for on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching from USA. Salamat sa iyong contribution. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Carl James Martin, our boxing prospect against Richard the veteran Rosales with the burning heart. This is round number 2 action. IPI, good combination. Ang bibilis talaga na pinapakawalan dito ni Carl James Martin. You can see that hand speed. It reminds you, parang actually, nagre-remind pa sa akin ng Nito Donaire. Pero sabi nila, kamukha daw ni Manny Pacquiao ang galaw nito ni Carl James Martin. Sa mga nanonood ngayon, kamukha pa ba ni Manny Pacquiao yung galaw? Happy birthday nga pala po, Senator, pound for pound. The greatest boxer. At yung uppercut, napahinto ng konti. There you go, konting delay lang tayo sa internet. Yun, napabilis ang suntukan dito. And they're back in action. Ganda ng mga pasok dito ni Richard Rosales. Napapailing siya. Richard Rosales is really working here and really working hard. Eto mo, alam mo yung kay Richard Rosales, you would really, mapapasaludo ka, pero dito siya natalo eh. Nare-remember ko yung laban niya kay Claveras. Nag-engage din siya. Ganyan din yung ginawa niya. Which, alam ko yung mga fans, lalo na kung doon kayo mismo nanonood, matutuwa kayo eh. Pero at pag ganyan, pwedeng ma-counter eh. Siguro ingat siya dahil alam mo naman, mabilis yung kamay nito ni Wonderboy. Pero Richard Rosales, grabe yung atake din talaga eh. Oh. End of the round. Rough fight. Second round Third round na po tayo. First fight, Seraphica 1. Nasaan na ba yung replay natin? Meron ba? Yan high-tech tayo eh. Yun, solid yung suntok na yun. Sapol na sapol. Panalo na po si Franco Seraphica kanina. TKO, end of round number 1. Matthew Fondales, Albert Pagara also won by unanimous decision against Vergel Puton. We're now watching round number 3. Action of the Carl James Martin versus Richard Rosales. Taas ang kamay. Lahat po ng duda kay Richard Rosales. Ano kayo ngayon? Carl Gatling Gun Martin. Tingnan natin Baka mapahiya ako dyan, Richard Rosales. Bini-build up kita na magandang laban to. Tuloy lang ang laban. Yun lang, walang depensa daw. Kasi diretso-retso lang Yun yung ma-counter ka. Delikado ka. And, yung ganda ng step back ni Carl. The Wonder Boy. So far, 2 rounds of boxing. What do you see? Uy. Nadulas na naman. Dulas. Hindi daw knockdown. Okay, ito na. Delayed reaction, Delayed reaction. Third round action na po tayo, At nagalit na si Richard Rosales, Ginagalit niyo si Richard Rosales, Martin is fighting a very intelligent fight, very smart fight. Just wanted to let you know that hindi siya nakikipaglaro sa laro na gustong gawin ni Richard Rosales. We know Richard Rosales is going to going to rough him up, but Carl James Martin being really smart right here at waiting for the right opportunity to counter. And Richard Rosales naman, yun yung niya Tuwing natatamaan si Richard, sinasabi niya wala yan. Ayun, natamaan na naman siya ng body. Good combination, and those attacks are wonderful, skillful, and very much pretty. Parang magandang babae. At ganyan talaga ang titingnan natin sa boxing. Ang ganda ng mga kombinasyon. Diyan na in love yung mga boxing fans sa mga ganyan mga showing. Kasi eye candy yung mga suntok niya. Grabe, yung gaganda tingnan no? Baro, napailing si Rosales. Sabi niya, wala yan. Pero alam naman natin sa mga boksingero, pag sinasabing wala yan, meron yan, di ba? Ito na. This is the kind of action that we're looking for, that we wanna see. Yung talagang ratatatatatat. Ganyan ang mga labanan, no? Tama ang kalaban niya para kay James Martin. Sabi ng isang nag-comment na hindi ko na nabasa. Ang bilis niyo magko-comment. Salamat po, 1, 2, 3. I can see now. I can hear the instruction. Medyo, uy, sa pool! Oh my goodness! Tayo pa rin talaga, ibang klase itong si Rosales. Kaso, he's walking. He's unloading his hand, but his footwork medyo naiiwan eh. And that's the problem right here. 10 seconds. Richard Rosales is walking. He's walking toward Carl James Martin, but he needs to alam mo, well, I'm not really kumbaga, I'm not really a analyst or expert. Pero kailangan niya mag-side to side ng konti kasi mamaya baka mabasa na siya eh. Replay right here. Yun, no? Ganda ng pasok. Ganda, kaliwat kanan. And Richard Rosales, the brawl. Yun lang, na-counter yata doon, no? And that was called a slip, pero it looks like a punch. It looks like a punch in my angle. Ano sa tingin nyo? Ano ba yun? Suntok ba yun? But the referee's decision is final. It looks like a punch to me. Sa tingin ko lang, ha? Sa tingin niyo po, paki-comment nga po kung suntok ba yung nakita nyo. Richard Rosales. Dami nagko-comment. Ano daw? Good brawl. Sabi, parang kinikilig na Totoy si Paukas. Kinikilig talaga ako sa boxing. Di ba? Siyempre, love ko yung boxing eh. Kikiligin talaga ako. Pag nakita nyo ako, naglalaway pa ako sa boxing at yung mga ganitong laban ang gusto ko. Kaysa naman yung boring fight, di ba? Kaya kung na-appreciate nyo at natutuwa kayo at kayo ay na-excite, subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, at pwede rin kayo mag-send ng super sticker. Mura lang yan, guys, sa YouTube, ha. Sa Facebook, okay na yan. Like, tsaka share na lang. Pwede na, mga share. Carl James Martin. Round number 4. Utilizing the jab. Ito yung mga jumping ala Floyd Mayweather, ala Muhammad Ali. Pero ito, yan na, magre-wrestling na sila. Niyayakap na ni Wonderboy at nagyayakapan sila. Sabi nila sa sarili nila, Merry Christmas, hug ko ha. Magmahalan tayo ngayong Pasko. And Jimmy, si Jimmy nanonood ha. Bernabe, thank you very much for all watching. And tayo boxingerong nanonood ngayon dito sa atin ha. Live po ito sa Cebu, pero ako nasa Maynila ako. High touch tayo ngayon eh. Brought to you by Omega. This is Wonderboy, Martin Carl James from Ifugao, Ifugao, and Richard Rosales. Richard Rosales, good body shot. And talagang binobrol niya itong si Martin. Hindi niya na pinapahinga. And kaso Richard Rosales, nalabas yung kanyang mouthpiece. Something tells me na gagahanap siya ng hangin, pero hindi naman nakikita sa kanyang galaw. Matibay din yung Richard eh. Matibay, no? Kailangan lang niya timingin ng maganda itong si Carl. Uy, na-counter na naman siya doon. And that is going to be a problem later if he continues to do that right now, guys. Right now, hindi pa siya tinatablan eh. At feeling niya, kaya niya isuntok ni Carl James Martin. Kasi talagang he doesn't care. He's just gonna go for it. Yun ang nakikita ko ngayon ha. Tingnan nyo ano sa tingin nyo guys? I-comment nyo nga, ano bang nakikita nyo dito? Bakit gano'n, no? Yan, Richard Rosales, talagang step right, step left, suntok. Awkward na nga ang dating ng suntok, eh. Now, Richard Rosales looks like to be in trouble. The thing is, yun ang sinasabi ko, Richard Rosales exerting a lot of effort, pero yung suntok niya, medyo, I don't know if I'm right, guys, there's a proper stance to throw a powerful punch. That punch may hit you, but it probably won't hurt you that much pag mali yung paa mo. And ito na ngayon, si Wonderboy, he is attacking, cornering Richard Rosales, defending here. Uy, na-counter na naman ng left. And Carl James Martin, sabi niya pala sa isang interview, meron pala siyang laban, guys. Kwento ko na lang after this, parang patapos na at mukhang makakasurvive naman si Richard Rosales. Richard Rosales and Carl James Martin. If you're enjoying this, only one favor after this one, ha? Tapos, palike naman, guys. Palike naman. At next time, mas malinaw pa dyan yung ating coverage. Guys, sabi sa akin ni Carl dati sa interview, Meron daw siyang fight na naawa siya. Hindi na daw mangyayari yun at hindi na nga siya naawa ngayon. Ito yung bugbugan nila, oh. Pasok. Right hand in once again. Richard Rosales is, yes, attacking. He's giving a good workout. But unfortunately, I don't think he's winning a round. Because he's looking a little bit reckless. He's looking for that punch siguro na maka-damage at mahilo itong si Martin. Let's see, pwede pa naman. Round number 4. This is scheduled for 10 rounds po. Super bantamweight fight. Carl James Martin in red and white and black and gold or yellow for Richard Rosales. Round number 5 po. Live po ito sa IPI compound sa Mandawi City sa Cebu. Ako naman ay nasa Maynila at wish ko ako'y nasa Cebu. Baka may hindi pa nakasubscribe. Reckless boxer, sabi ng isa dyan. Ang hirap magbasa ng comment no? Pag nagko-commentate ka. So, ayan na, Richard Rosales. Let's just rephrase that. Let's rephrase reckless into a positive term. Ganito lang yan. Brave fighter. Richard Rosales, certainly a brave fighter. At umaatake siya. Ang lakas ng suntok ng kaliwa na yun ni Carl. Napaurong doon si Richard Rosales. Richard Rosales with his hands up, and that's where it should be when you're fighting a guy like Carl James Martin who's just peppering you with punch. Talagang sabi sa comment, gatling punches. At marami sumuntok kasi itong si Wonderboy. Round number 5. Hanggang 10 rounds. Tatandaan po natin, FYI ha, and I will keep track of this one. Ito pong si Wonderboy, lahat po ng laban niya ay karamihan po ay knockout. Isa lang ang hindi niya na-knockout. Isa lang po sa kanyang kalaban ang hindi pa niya na-knockout. Richard Rosales looks like he is very durable, pero ang natatandaan kong huling laban ni Martin na hindi niya na-knockout is si Jason Benaobra. At hindi umubra yung lakas ni Martin doon. At dahil yata may sakin na nga si Richard Rosales bumalik at napadepensa dito si Carl James Martin. And wow. Grabe, no? Grabe yung tapang ni Braveheart. Burning Heart, Richard Rosales. But Wonderboy is just really medyo lamang pa rin siya sa tingin ko ha. But hindi natin alam. Again, we're not the judge and we're just a commentator. We're here to hype. And if you're hype, come on, guys. Papi! Salamat, Papi! Papi Chupol, 99 pesos. Thank you very much. I need somebody. Brave. There you go. Carl James. Napasukan na naman siya. 12,000 people watching. I think we're gonna break record here kay Carl James Martin, no? Round number 5 na tayo. Good punch, good follow-up. Lumayo lang ng konti. Uy! Konting-taunting doon. Konting-taunting siguro. At Richard Rosales. He's in the corner. Carl James Martin, let's see what he does here. And the exchange. Ito, palitan ng suntok at tumingin na naman si Richard Rosales. Nag-enjoy pa kayo? Kailangan ko pa bang sabihin kung nag-enjoy ako o hindi? Replay. Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin na nag-enjoy ako dahil alam nyo na, naririnig nyo na nag-enjoy ako. Kung nag-enjoy kayo guys, at alam kong nag-enjoy kayo, yung 12,308 na nanonood, 1,000 pa lang yung like natin. Gawin naman natin 12,000. Like naman tayo dyan, guys. Konting like naman dyan. Para hindi lang comedy lagi yung makita natin sa boxing, no? Sa nakikita nyo ngayon, ito pong si Wonderboy ay ready na kaya kay sa ibang bansa.
Round number 6.
Round number 6. Minsan nawawala ako sa rounds. Buti na lang sumigaw yung announcer. Round number 6, 10 rounds. Ano na to? Half time. Ay halfway. Sa nakikita nyo po, tatanungin ko kayo Seryosong tanong. Ayan na, tatanungin ko pa naman kung aabot ba to ng rounds or may mananakaut, no? Thank you sa new member natin, Almar Ray Balanay. Thank you very much for becoming a member and joining Powcast Sports. I really appreciate it. Marami na tayong members, no? Ito na naman si Richard Rosales at si Wonderboy bumalik sa kanyang counter. So, ano sa tingin nyo so far? Sa tibay ni Richard Rosales at saka sa tapang niya, abot ba ito ng round? O may mananakaut? Tatandaan natin, Carl James Martin, isa lang ang hindi niya na-knockout. Lahat knockout na, ha? At matagal-tagal na siyang hindi nakadesisyon, ha? But Richard Rosales, baka siya pa yung manalo dito. At sa ginagawa niya, talagang para siyang bubuyog. At si Wonderboy, parang bulaklak. At kanyang pinuputakti ang mga honey. Parang hindi masyado maganda yung aking description. But hopefully, nag-i-enjoy po tayo ngayon. Boxing event live in Mandawi. Hintay-hintay sila. Counter. Uy, balikan sila dito. Dalawahin mo daw, James. Tulog yan mamayang gabi. Okay, thank you very much at salamat. Kung si Wonderboy pwede na sa ibang bansa, pwede na kaya ako sa ibang bansa? Gusto ko talagang maging commentator, announcer sa ibang bansa eh. Kaso nahihiya akong mag-English sa inyo eh. Ito na si Richard Rosales. Hey, I'd like to thank once again, ito yung mga bago nating members, si Daryl Brizo at si Alma Ray Balanay. Thank you very much for becoming a member. 49 seconds left. Wonderboy, Wonder attack. Richard Rosales looks to be in trouble, but he's really not, and he's staring at Wonderboy. They both laugh at, smile lang at each other, as if to say, let's go. Nako, ito na, dumidiin na si Wonderboy. Those combination lethal punches. After this one, please expect us to actually upload a high-definition copy. Thank you very much po sa mga nag-members. Thank you. You can also support me by becoming a member of Powcast Sports. Just click link and join sa YouTube. Murang-mura lang yan, 49. Carla Miss Martin, salamat. At Richard Rosales, dahil sa inyo, may 3 akong bagong members. And those exchanges are really good.
End of round 6.
End of round number 6. Round number 7 na tayo, ha? Replay. Let's look at this replay. Combination, uppercut, and another one, and sa side. At sabi ni Martin, sabi ni Rosales, let's go. Iba talaga tong Rosales, matibay. That counter left. Nag-practice din itong si Wonderboy. Alam mo, sinusuntok siya ng kuya niya doon sa training. Alam niyo ba yon? Panoodin niyo yung training na ginawa nila. Sinusuntok po siya ng kuya niya pag as a practice na para po tolerance sa pain. Thank you very much again do sa 3 kong member, ha. Thank you very much po sa inyo lahat. I appreciate it. Pwede po niyo ako i-support, super sticker or membership. At of course, Omega. Puntahan niyo rin yung page ng Omega, ha. Salamat. 7 na. 10. Scheduled for 10 rounds. This is the new age of commentating. Nakikipag-usap po tayo sa mga fans. And I love it. I thank you very much. Saludo ko, ha. 12,495 viewers watching this Carla Miss Martin and Richard Rosales fight. Are you liking the action? Wait. What is that? Roy Jones? Roy Jones, ikaw ba yan? Daryl, thank you. I think Wonderboy is trying to fight the fight of Richard Rosales. Nakikipag-brawl na siya dito. Pero ganun din naman yung style nito ni Wonderboy. Sabihin ko sa inyo, itong si Carl James Martin is known for his offense. Alam natin yung opensa niya ang pinaka nagugustuhan ng mga tao. But we don't know how good is his defense. So kanina, itong si Richard Rosales was really attacking and tumatama siya. Hindi pa siguro nakakasolido. But I think he needs to keep on doing that offense para masubukan naman yung depensa nito ni Carl James Martin. Pero ang nangyayari, kailangan di siya yung maging counter-puncher eh. But this is certainly a good fight. Maraming nagsasabi na wala yan sir, hindi magandang laban. Pero ngayon nakita nyo na magandang laban, ano? And seryoso to ha. Carl James Martin, Richard Rosales. Uy, what is that? Richard Rosales playing a little bit right here. At nagsho-showboat ng konti. Oo. Look at that. He's trying to play Carl James Martin into his trap. And I think a little bit of Cywar right here na parang ang ibig sabihin dito ni Richard in my own interpretation. At pwede rin yung mag-interpret ha. Interpret natin na wala yan, Carl. I'm still right here and hindi mo ko pwedeng gawing kumbaga sabi niya, stepping stone, hindi mo ko pwedeng isama sa poster. Alam niyo yung sa basketball guys, yung pag magda-dunk at isasama ka sa picture. Sabi ni Richard, no, ikaw ang isasama ko. Uy, what the heck is that? Drunken Master, Richard Rosales style. I don't even know if that's, tingnan mo, nakalabas pa yung mouthpiece niya. Siya yung medyo nagiging reckless dito sa laban na to. 14 seconds. Pero matapang din. Iba talaga yung burol, no? Richard Rosales. And Carl James Martin giving us all he got. Believe din sa tibay ni Rosales. Aba, ibang klase, no? Salamat ulit sa mga bagong member. Daryl Tundag, light new member. Ay, hindi pa po huli. Magpa-member pa kayo. Ayan o, Ramil Caliso. Ababa, bili na po. Bili na. Sir Jerry, I love you. Thank you very much. When is our next Keyboards Boxing, ha? Lahat ng Filipino boxing, dito na po tayo. Thank you very much. Omega. Replay naman dyan. Mukhang hindi na daw tatagal. Replay. I love you guys. Lahat po ng supporter ko, I love you guys. Thank you very much for watching this one. I hope you're enjoying Carl James Martin fight. Hindi ko mabanggit yung pangalan mo, pare. Burtinio Jr. Salamat. This is live boxing action in Mandaue. At sana po ay nag-i-enjoy kayo sa panonood. And I'm really happy na kayo po ay nandito na sinasamahan ako. Ako'y nasa Maynila. Sila ay nasa Cebu. At ang tanong ko, kayo nasaan kayo? Alam ko, nasaan kayo? Nasa puso ko. Richard Rosales and Carl James Martin showing us a good fight right here. At talaga namang enjoy na enjoy ako dito sa panonood. And I want to greet RNJ as well. Taga Zamboanga, mga taga Zamboanga dyan, salamat po Carl James Martin and Richard Rosales. This is a live fight in Mandaue Omega Sports Promotion. Thank you very much Kitang-kita niyo yung Omega painkiller dito. Yan ang gagamitin nila mamaya. Good. Ito na yung kombinasyon na iniintay natin. Richard Rosales, let's go. Sabi ni Richard, dito lang ako sa corner. I think that's a bad idea. But Richard Rosales, ibang klase itong nangyayari. And acknowledging Carl James Martin. Sabi niya, let's go. Ibang klase. Gustong magpa-knockout. Gustong mag-knockoutan sila dito. Bang, bang, bang. Richard Rosales, Carl James Martin. Minsan ko lang ito makita, Richard Rosales. Man, what strategy is this, Richard Rosales? Hindi na kailangan ng TV dito, pare. Wala po ito sa TV. Sa Pauka Sports YouTube and Facebook channel, pati sa Omega Sports Promotion o Omega Boxing page. Richard Rosales. May konting acting dito, konting entertainment, and sinusubukan niyang asarin yata dito si Carl James Martin, ano? Humihiga-higa pa siya sa rope at iniimbita niya. Siguro sabi niya, Carl, you cannot knock me down. Hindi mo ko kaya, sabi niya. Kahit nasa corner ako, hindi mo ko kaya. At ito na. Tibay din eh. Ingat lang siya sa counter, baka mas ano siya ni Carl James Martin. May timeout, 13 seconds. But hininto ng referee dahil sa mouthpiece. Style na ba? O talagang ganon? Ano ngayon? Yung mga nagsasabi dyan na may knockout, meron pa bang knockout? Meron pa ba? Tuloy-tuloy tayo dito. At ito na si Wonderboy. Nanggigigil na, bumabalik na! Pati ako nanggigigil dito. Sabi nga ng isa dyan, para daw akong dalaga na kinilig sa nangyayari sa boxing na to. Para ba?
Round number 9.
Uy, oh. Ibang klase. Ibang klase yung ginawa ni Richard Rosales. Ito yung replay. Tingnan natin kung anong merong nangyari dito. Salamat po sa mga nagko-comment. Ako po si Pau Salud ng Pauka Sports. At ito po ay live coverage. Like, share, and comment. Wonderboy. So, kumusta ang performance? Salamat po sa inyo lahat at I dream of this, of supporting all boxing here in the Philippines. My name is Pau Salud and I am your remote commentator live from Manila. Round number 9. Biruin mo yun, round number 9 na. Nasa na yung mga haters dyan ni Rosales? Labas. Commentator na ganito, no? Yan tuloy, baka hindi ako ma-hire as a professional dahil kakaiba yung style natin eh. But this is what works right now. Thank you very much. May bago na naman tayong member. Ay, same lang pala yun. Baka yung mga gusto pang mag-member dyan sa YouTube. And 13,000 na. 13K. Live. Ibang klase ka, Wonderboy. Sikat na sikat talaga si Wonderboy, no? Tingin nyo ba sisikit pa ng todo itong si Wonderboy? What do you think, guys? Pero si Richard Rosales, may pagkakataon pa dito. Hindi pa to tapos, aba. Richard Rosales. 9 na tayo, ha? Round number 9. And Richard Rosales has the big opportunity here. Pwede niya pa itong pagbalikin. Pero Wonderboy, ito na. He's really working hard. At sinusubukan niya. Rough and tough fight na nito. Grizzled fight. Uy! Richard Rosales, ha? Man, kakaiba yung mga pinapakita mo, ha? Parang winawasiwas mo dun si Carl James Martin. Richard, tibay din talaga din eh. Parehong matibay. So, I think Wonderboy needs to do more if he wants to end this one with empathically, because Richard Rosales have shown that he is really tough and hindi siya mapabaksak basta-basta kasi tinatamaan na siya ng malalakas na suntok. Pero talagang ayan nirarat-rat na siya dito, guys. Rat-rat na tong suntok na to. But Wonderboy is not really hurting Richard Rosales. In fact, Richard Rosales pumupwesto pa siya sa corner. Eh, 'di ba? Yan yung mga hinahanap ng mga ng mga boxer. Kino-corner. Tapos para hindi na makawala, pero hindi eh. Doon pa siya sa corner, ha? At ayan What is that? What is that, guys? I-comment nyo nga. I-comment nyo. Oh, yan. Niyakap naman. Tumingin sa camera si Wonderboy. And pinapagod niya dito si Wonderboy. And tingnan natin. Oh, ito na po na naman. Yung na to, yung nangyayari, medyo pagod pero lumalaban eh. 30 seconds. Teddy Alipi, napapagod na si ref eh. Grabe yung suntukan. Palitan. Eto na, Palitan si Wonder Boy. Good exchanges right here. Richard Rosales, Carl Ames Martin. Wild West. Wild Cebu. Uy, Sapul! Sapul din doon si Carl Ames Martin. Solid ng konti yun. And Richard Rosales, nakaramdam na nakatama siya. Kaya dumidiretso. And Carl Ames Martin acknowledging the brawl. This is a wild brawl. At parang mga baguhan ito. Dahil ang tawag dito, parang pare, hampasan na yung nangyayari, guys. Hampasan. Nakasapul din si Rosales doon, no? Let's see if na-capture natin sa replay. Good job. 1, 2, 3 straight. Tulak punch. Uppercut. Nothing solid so far, but body shot right there. Yun. May hater ako doon, no? Salamat sa hater, ha? I need you guys. Salamat. Ooh! Sapul si Wonderboy doon. With the left. At praktisado siya sa suntok dahil sinusuntok siya ng kuya niya sa training, eh. Kapit rep. Sabi. Ito na yata. Ano na? Tibay. Saludo rin ako kay Rosales.
Final round.
10 and final round. Ito na. Nakasalalay dito yung 90% na knockout ratio ni Wonderboy. Hindi, calculation na. Isa pa lang yung hindi niya na knockout. Si Jason Benaobra. Maging lamang siya dito, to be honest, lamang siya dahil sa mga suntok na pinapakawalan niya, mas tama. Richard Rosales, this is his last chance. I think he should go for a knockout and go for broke. Alam mo, natatandaan ko dito si Masayoshi Nakatani, no? Do you remember that fight? Felix Verdeo yata, yung kalaban niya. Lamang na lamang yung kalaban. At bigla na lang. O yun, sinum in pa yung mouthpiece, no? Good job, cameraman. Uy! Kinabahan si Wonderboy doon. Kala niya, game na. Okay. Very, very interesting fight. And Wonderboy going for the kill. Sabi nang sa comment section, Richard Rosales should be the one that should go for the kill because he is behind in the scorecard. That's what I think, no? Sir Silvestre Abainsa, sana hindi ka naiingayan sa akin, sir. Magandang gabi po. Ref, na-assign ka na ba? Salamat po. Paminsan-minsan tinatawagan mo ako, nakikipagkwentuhan ka sa akin. I really appreciate it. Pasensya na at busy tayo dahil trabaho lang trabaho. Daldal kasi yan po dyan tayo kumikita ngayon sa kakadaldal. Thank you very much sa mga supporter ko ngayon, ha. Baka mag 300,000 subscribers na tayo sa YouTube, sa Facebook, parang ganun din. Richard Rosales, may bagong moniker daw, no? Lasing na suntok, mayroon ng drunken master, eh. Hindi pwede, pero brave talaga, Richard Rosales. 1 minute and 25 seconds, I think he should go for the kill, Richard Rosales. And Wonderboy should also go for the kill, both of them, because matibay din, ano? Itong Rosales. Ang daming nagsasabi sa akin before this fight. Sabi, sir, ano yan? Nanakot yan ni Martin. Hindi naman pala, no? Tibay din. Boom! Isang malakas lang timingan dito ni Richard Rosales could change the fight. But, ito, acknowledging din, eh. This is what you like about this guy. Kaya, very lovable, very likable itong si Carl James Martin. Because, he's fun to watch. Kumbaga, if you want to brawl, yeah, let's do it. If you want to fight, yeah, let's do it. Time out na naman. And si Wonderboy, pangiti-ngiti lang dito. Sabi niya, umi-style ka, sir, eh. Yung mouthpiece, bidang-bida na dito, no? Referee lang malakas. 40 seconds. Warning na dapat niya, no? Tingin ko, no? Let's go. Veteran move. Carl James Martin, 38 seconds left. Wow, 14,000 na po tayo, ha? 14,000. Wow. Uy. Wala, hindi talaga kaya i-knockdown. Yun, hinila na lang pababa. Let's go! Ayun na, Wonderboy, medyo nag-showboat na rin dito, bumapalakpak. Let's go! And Wonderboy going for it. This is the last chance at mukhang mapapadesisyon dito si Wonderboy at Richard Rosales. And Wonderboy going all the way to round number 10. And that is that. It looks like a win para kay Richard Rosales dahil naka-survive siya at hindi siya na-knocked out ni Carl James Martin. Let's look at this beautiful brawl. Beautiful because there's a certain beauty in the madness because of those punches. Wild and beautiful. Wild, young, and free. Salamat po sa mga nanonood. And this is the fight that everyone has been looking for. Referee ba yan, Kuya Pao? Siyempre naman, sir. Sir! Magandang gabi po. Sir, pwedeng share naman tayo. Na-share nyo na ba? Na-like nyo na ba? Sa mga naiingayan sa akin, pwede nyo namang i-mute. Pero sa mga natutuwa, itodo nyo na yun, parinig nyo sa kapitbahay nyo. Babatiin ko pa yung kapitbahay nyo. Watching from Congo, Africa. May taga Congo, Africa. Idol Martin, hindi ko mabasa lahat. Ganda ng laban, Kuya Pao. Thank you very much. Ano kaya? Ano ba dito ng score? Shoutout. Ang bilis ng mga comment nyo. Because 13,000 pa lang nanonood. This is a successful event so far. Iba talaga pag Friday night, no? Friday, Saturday night, tsaka Sunday night, gawin natin yung boxing. Ano, ganda ng laban? Ano, ganda? Kung maganda, i-share po natin. Kung maganda, you should join the membership. By the way, I would like to invite everyone to stay tuned. Wag lang si Wonderboy ang panoodin natin, At si Albert. Meron pa po tayong Christian The Bomb Araneta versus Ron J. Bendima. Pete Apolinar versus Danny Tam-PP. Omega Painkiller. Shoutout sa inyo lahat.
Broadcast. Pow Passport. A special thanks to Sky Cable TV.
Salamat pagod ako. May bago na naman akong member Cotes Review. Aba, kanina matagal na kitang subscriber, nag-member ka ngayon. Salamat. Nawawala-wala yung sounds nila, no? Medyo labo yung quality ng video ba? Okay na yan. At least meron tayo, di ba? Relax lang. Step by step ba, guys? Step by step lang. We will improve and with your support, pag medyo nagkaroon na tayo ng konti pang budget, and we'll get, and then actually hindi budget ang kailangan natin yung internet natin gumanda dapat. Hintayin lang natin yung scores, guys. I appreciate all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 10 rounds of boxing, let's go straight to the scorecards. Judges Edward Vigas and Rolando Mendoza scores the bouts identically at 190. Teddy Alivio scores the bout 98-92 for your winner via unanimous decision and still undefeated, Carl James the Wonder Boy Martin.
Wonder Boy wins via unanimous decision against Richard Rosales. It's a one-sided fight. We didn't see a knockout, but it was certainly a great fight for both boxer Richard Rosales. Salamat din sa inyong magandang pinakita.